Hola! I'm sure you guys might be wondering what am I talking? So let me take you through the journey of all the secrets of Sovel right from Spain. I'm sure you guys are already aware that Pilgrim have recently launched a new range of product which is a secret of Sovel. Pilgrim is about creating borderless beauty, and also they are cruelty free, sulfate and paraben free, and also they are 100% vegan, and they are also FDA approved skincare brand. Pilgrim products are something which has actually worked on my skin, and I'm so glad that I started using these products. So I'm going to talk about these three products today. Spain has their best kept secret superfood, which is olive, which we already know, and from that we have got a skincare product which Pilgrim has recently introduced, and that is Squalane. So I've got these three products and I'm going to talk one by one and show it to you also. I'm sure you guys are already aware that I was suffering from PCOD and I used to get these pimples all over my jawline right now, which is not, because I have changed lot of products and I have actually incorporated new products in my skincare, so which I'm going to talk today. I'm going to show you my night skincare routine and what I usually do on a daily basis. The first thing what I do is to wash my face. So to wash my face I use this Squalane face wash which has a kiwi extract and vitamin B5. It has zero artificial fragrance, guys, which is why I really like it. Right after washing my face, as you can see, my face is not at all showing any kind of dry patches. It actually fights impurity from the skin and also refreshes and rehydrate your skin. Next step what I like to do is to apply the glow moisturizer which has got niacinamide and vitamin C. Niacinamide is just like a protein to your skin. It actually helps to keep your skin firm and healthy, minimize any sort of redness, and also they reduces the pore appearance. So that's the reason I like to use this right after my face wash, because once my face wash is done, as I have used the brush, my pores are open. So when I apply this niacinamide and vitamin C combination moisturizer, which will go deep into and it will penetrate deep into my skin and it's gonna keep it healthy. The last step I like to do is to apply a glow facial oil which has got rosehip oil. This is a photoretinol oil. Now what is photoretinol? It actually helps to prevent fine lines and improve any kind of textures you have on your skin. It actually boosts your radiance, so it's a good combination which is with rosehip oil. Now rosehip oil is something which I absolutely love it. I use as a makeup base also. I also apply in my nighttime skincare routine and also sometimes in daycare. I hope you enjoyed today's video and also my night. All the links will be in the description box for you all to check. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.